Hi guys, it's Marlene. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to achieve this look using mostly drugstore makeup that you can get at Target. That's where I got mine. And it's kind of like a first impressions too, because I tried these products a few of these products for the first time, and I'll let you know how I like it. So maybe if you like it, you can purchase it yourself. So yeah. But before that, if you can please like and subscribe, so I can make more videos. That would be amazing. So yeah, so just stay tuned and keep watching. So I already sprayed my skin with the Pixi Milky Hydrating Mist. It's a good everyday facial mist. Also, if you're gonna be out in the sun, I always recommend a good SPF. This one has SPF 30. This is from Olay, also a drugstore. So I have that on. So now that my face is nice and moisturized, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild foundation. I know I'm probably late on the bandwagon on this, but I was walking through Target today and I saw that it was like $4 something, and it has really good reviews. I've seen a lot of good reviews on it online, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I didn't try it on obviously at the store. I'm quite fair, so hopefully this is a good match for me. I do like that it has like a little applicator, so you don't have to like be dipping it out and stuff. So it's probably not as sanitary if you go like that. Just gonna put a little bit everywhere. But I'm the only one that's gonna use the foundation, so shouldn't matter that much. Then I'm gonna use the sponge from Sonia Kashuk sponge. So it's also from the drugstore. I would say this foundation is definitely a sheer coverage. Like a sheer, maybe you can build it up, but so far it's going quite sheer on my skin. Like it's not full coverage, you know, like I can still see my skin. So this is probably like a good foundation for every day. I'm gonna apply a little bit more on the spots where I want a little bit more coverage. Color that I am is light Clair Warm Chad. I'm just gonna apply that under my eyes. And it comes like in a little squeezy thingy like this.
I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm trying to figure it out. Just bear with you guys.
RCMA loose powder, and I like it. I use it on myself, on my clients, just to set my foundation. It's really good, especially for under the eyes, and the price is worth it for sure. So today I picked up this Wet n Wild this Wet n Wild bronzer, and the color is in Ticket to Brazil. See, I haven't used it. It's brand new. So let's, have our first impression. I'll let you know if it's worth the $3 or $4 I paid for. And I'm just using an angle brush. This is from MAC. So I'm just doing it on the hollows of my cheek, kind of blending it to my forehead. It's quite sheer, I'm not gonna lie. It looked matte to me, like at the store. I mean, I was like kind of just, I didn't really look at it when I picked it up. It's like the only one they had in stock because everything else was like gone. So I mean, it's pretty cool for like, I wouldn't use it as a contouring product, like something, you know, you want something more, you know, cool tone. This is mostly just to warm up your face as a strict bronzer, not a contour product. I'm just gonna squeeze the brush like this and put it on the sides of my nose, just so my nose is not the only thing that's white, because then it makes your nose look wider. So if you put a little bit of bronzer on your nails, like on the side and a little bit on the tip, does a big difference. Okay, so off camera, so apparently I didn't have a brow product from the drugstore, which I really thought I did, but I must have misplaced it or lost it or something. So I actually filled in my brows with the Anastasia brow gel, and the one that I use is in color taupe with an angled brush. I almost broke a nail trying to open this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's like a bunch of warm colors. These colors are definitely for every day. Well, you know, whatever. But I'm gonna use these colors right here and this one for today's look. Maybe another time. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see another look using this palette. But yeah, I'm gonna use these colors right here. So I just kind of did this eye real quick. So first I'm gonna use this color right here. It says transition. So I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna apply that color all over my crease. And this helps kind of contour your eye. It gives it a little bit more shape. So with a smaller fluffy brush, I'm gonna grab this color right here. And just gonna put it right on the crease. I'm gonna grab that color right there and just apply it down here. Now with a flat brush, I'm gonna grab that champagne color right here. I'm just gonna pat it in my inner eye. It's really pretty. Wow. I really do like this palette. I mean, especially for like $3.99. I haven't gotten any fallout. The colors are really nice. They blend pretty good, man. I'm not gonna lie. I like it. It's quite lovely. Out at night, you can make it darker and grab the darker colors and kind of intensify it, or like this, and then add a black on the outer corner of the eyes if you're going out for the evening. So now I'm gonna grab a pencil brush and I'm gonna grab this color right here, the same one that I put on my outer corner. You know what else would be fun? Like if you apply this one in the inner corner instead of a shiny one or something, that will make it, give it a little bit more color. So I don't know, I kind of want to mess with this a little bit more. Let me know if you guys want me to do more looks. Always like to go back with my fluffy brush and blend the edges, just so I have like a nice smooth blended look. This. So I picked this one up today. This is a liquid liner from L'Oreal. So it's like a sponge tip. I can show you. With the liner for now. So I'm actually gonna go in with this dark brown color right here with the same pencil brush, and I just want to add a little bit to the corner of my eye. I'm telling you, I'll say I want to do something natural, and I end up smoking out my eyes. Are the Ardell Wispy lashes. Ooh, it creates volume for sure. So, ooh, I like it. I like the formula. It's not too wet. Where I like it. Even though I'm wearing false lashes and I can't really see the job on my natural lashes, I'm gonna definitely try it on my natural lashes and see how it goes, but I like it. Now I'm gonna put some on my bottom lashes. I also picked up this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. I've heard really good things about this, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. And the color is in Seductress. Feels so smooth. Wow. I am impressed. Get it, Maybelline. Come through. And I really like this color. It's nice and subtle, and my lips don't feel dry. Because I already had dry lips, so I was worried. Especially because I didn't have any lip balm on. But yeah, I like that. Feels really smooth. I love it. Okay, I think this is my favorite from everything that I tried. This is pretty good, but I don't know, I had to like go like this a few times on my hand so I can, you know, get more color out. Maybe I wasn't pressing hard enough on my eye. But yeah, so this is the finished look. Hope you guys like it. So yeah, if you like it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more. And leave me a comment. Tell me if you want to see a different look. Tell me what you want to see. Maybe story time? I don't know. Have a good one, guys.